Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of a golden wonder spice, turmeric. But this isn't your ordinary cooking ingredient. We're talking about the incredible health benefits of sipping on a warm cup of turmeric tea before bed. That's right, 12 amazing reasons to make this a nightly ritual. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of turmeric. Turmeric has been a superstar in traditional medicine for centuries, all thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Think of it as your body's built-in firefighter, calming things down and promoting overall well-being. And guess what? This translates into a better night's sleep. By reducing inflammation and calming your nervous system, turmeric tea can lull you into a peaceful slumber. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. Turmeric boasts a powerful compound called curcumin, an antioxidant warrior that shields your cells from damage. Think of it as tiny bodyguards keeping you healthy and strong. Say goodbye to bloating and tummy troubles with turmeric tea's digestion-boosting properties. Turmeric supports your liver's detoxifying function, helping your body cleanse more effectively. The anti-inflammatory magic of turmeric can ease joint pain and stiffness, offering natural relief for those dealing with arthritis. Regular turmeric tea consumption can benefit your skin health, reducing acne and eczema flare-ups. Strengthen your body's defenses with turmeric tea. It can help you fight off colds and infections more effectively. Turmeric might be the key to improved brain function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Thanks again to those anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those managing diabetes. Combined with a healthy diet and exercise, turmeric can boost your metabolism and aid in weight management. This golden beverage can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation for a peaceful night's rest. Now, let's get brewing. Making the perfect cup of turmeric tea is simple. Just boil some water, add a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a touch of honey or lemon for taste. Let it steep for a few minutes. Strain and enjoy your nightly dose of golden goodness. Remember, consistency is key. Make turmeric tea a nightly ritual to experience its full benefits. So, what are you waiting for? Give turmeric tea a try tonight and let us know in the comments how you feel. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this natural recipe. Thanks for watching.